Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gamble with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, going back over a few names that we've been looking at in these reviews and that I think are still very much in play. I've been bringing you the idea of AMD into 100, which I'm not the only person looking at, but so far it continues to progress well enough. When I look at where it closed here off of Friday's session, I'm still working with the idea that if this swing high against this swing low has any similarity to this swing high, to this swing low, which they do, right? You can see it looks like the exact level is 82, 82, and it's basically held right there. So if these declines are similar, maybe this advance will replicate over here. And it's just one way to look at a pattern of swing highs and swing lows that can help you predict a stock's future price. So based off of that pattern, I think you could see it up into about $90.30. Maybe you take a little bit of profits there and see if you get a chance to reload. A few others I was going to bring you. AMD is kind of the great liquidity, good for I think just about any trader to come up with any kind of strategy. And then I've got two others that I'm going to leave you with that are a little bit longer term. I don't know that they'll, you may have to really see these through. And things like Iridium, you may get a much better entry down around 25. I don't know that, you come in and start piling into this on Monday and Tuesday. So here again, position trading way of thinking, but bringing them to you because I love looking for daily squeezes within 10% of lifetime highs. If this pattern was going to fail and roll back over, usually it'll do it somewhere around the 618 retracement of that swing. Since we're through it, you can see we're actually getting through the 786 retracement. That just has you thinking that it's a little bit stronger, and in time it's going to head up into about $36. So, and I do this because so many of the names I've brought you in these free videos, we looked at Roku, just massive explosion into lifetime highs. We've done Microsoft. So many of these heavy liquidity products have had monster moves, and it needs to back off and cool off a little bit. If it doesn't, well then we're just going to try and pick up the best we can. But, longer term ideas will hopefully be helpful for you as we continue to rally into what will likely be November. The last I'm going to point out is Pinterest. You've got the high compression squeeze, which all the squeeze is showing you is a point in time where price has become compressed and is not going to be forever, right? And this is a basic concept. Like, you'll trade in this range for a given period of time, and then you could take that range and duplicate it on the other end. And you could do it in either direction. Like, maybe it ends up being down here, but my bet and the way that I'm focused on it is that as long as you stay above this post-earnings bar, right? Because this was your catalyst. You crush the report, you have more than twice the expected move, and as long as you can stay above that range, I think in time you move up into this range, and this could also be a good ticker to try to catch it for its run into earnings. So a little extended to be bringing you any, really short term, like this is what you do next week. Maybe it's AMD if we keep going up, but otherwise keep some of these in the back of your mind. And in time, I think they'll provide some good swing trading opportunity. So you guys have a great weekend, and we will see you at the next free video.